that is how much I have used it. And here goes my sugar. Grab it. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? Okay, so with this video I am actually trying to start up something new on this channel. So you guys, let me give you a little backstory. So you guys, I have these 1, 2, 3 pen eyeliners, sketch eyeliners. This one is from Stay Quirky, one from Rene Cosmetics, and one from Sugar. Now Stay Quirky one is literally my ride or die. I really love this. Like, I have used this on such a level that, you know, the tip of this is literally wearing off. Like there was this Sugar one. Now I haven't used it a lot, but definitely this is like dried out. Like, this doesn't work at all, but it somehow just loses its grip on the eyeshadow. So that sort of happened with me within like 4 or 5 applications. So this wasn't a good eyeliner. And this Rene wala, again the same thing, they sort of lose their grip after a while. So my problem with eyeliner was I needed to try a few more eyeliners, like sketch ones or, you know, whatever. So since these two flopped, I mean, I wouldn't say the Stay Quirky one flopped because I still love that. It works. I would have to buy a new one because it's a ride or die. Okay, these two kind of flopped. So I was like, okay, do I need to try a few new ones to actually know if this is how sketch eyeliners work, or, you know, whatever the tea is, right? So I thought, okay, let me just do this thing. I will buy 10 different eyeliners from 10 entirely different brands. It will be a mixture of something Indian, something international, right? All that stuff. And let's see how the eyeliners tend to work, right? So I have this list of 10 eyeliners that I bought from November to now this January, right? And I have almost 10 eyeliners, and I try to keep this list on the very affordable side and something on the middle price side, like nothing too fancy. I haven't got on that 2K for an eyeliner key range. Everything is under 1K. So yeah, let's get in the video. Let's go. Having 10 eyeliners is a huge number, okay? So let us start off with the sketch ones. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 sketch ones, and 1, 2 and 3 are liquid ones. Okay, so I'll take you through them one by one. I think we'll finish off with the 3 that are on the liquid side. So let's do that. I will show you the side-by-side application of each of these. So let me take you through them one by one. I will tell you my favorite at the end, or, you know, if I like it or if I don't like it, that will be in the end. Right now I'm just talking about the application and how they are. So starting off first is this Curves and Lashes. Okay, Curves and Lashes eyeliner, liquid eyeliner in Pitch. This definitely is a liquid eyeliner, and I mean the ones with the pot and everything. Now definitely these eyeliners have an advantage over the sketch ones, that you are constantly dipping into the pot, into the formulation, this thing, this black thing, whatever this is called. What is it called actually? Into the eyeliner thingy, okay, the ink, okay? So you are constantly dipping it inside, so it never dries or anything. You can obviously, unless this dries, okay? So you are constantly putting inside and you are applying it on your eye. Definitely these ones have an advantage over the sketch ones in terms of drying time. For somebody who is on the expert side, you won't really care about the applicability, but this one is a little difficult to apply as compared to the sketch one. Talking about this eyeliner, I think it's an absolutely matte black eyeliner, jet black. Definitely this is how it looks. It's nice, it does not bleed, it's good, it's wand, it's brush. The tip of this brush, everything is really nice. I think it is one of those eyeliners you should give it a try if you love black eyeliners. It costs for rupees 199, definitely on the cheaper side. Like, you can definitely, I got this for 99 rupees. You can get it on a good off if there is some sale or something. So definitely on affordable size. This L.A.Colors liquid eyeliner. Now this is very different than the Curves and Lashes one. So you can see it has a huge wand and the brush is pretty thick. Again, it's a good jet black eyeliner. I have done this wing with this. It's quite matte and I really like it. Then the third one, this one from In Color. This is quite similar to the Curves and Lashes wala in terms of applicability and everything, but in comparison to all these two, this one has a very thin wand. The brush on this is very thin, so it gives you a very precise application. And this thing I'm wearing over here is this In Color wali. Okay, so yeah, this was the 3 in the liquid category. Let's go on to the sketch ones. This is from Maliao, right? You can get it from Curves and Lashes. So this is that, and definitely it has a very pointy tip, a felt tip kind of stuff, right? It's a good tip, and again, very jet black. Like this is very black. It just glides onto your eyes. It has a lot of pigment, glides onto your eyes really well. It does bleed a little bit, so definitely that. I don't remember its price, but I will mention everything in the description box, so if I don't mention it right now, check that, okay? The second one is this Maybelline Tattoo Eyeliner. I've heard great things about it, and this is the most costly one out of this lot. I think it costed me around, I don't remember the price, okay, I'm sorry, but this is the most costly out of this lot. Now this one, in comparison to all these other ones, it's on the glossier side, definitely very jet black. Like all of these are very jet black, but this definitely is on the glossier side as compared to all of these, and you will see that in application as well. Even the in color one, like these two, in color one was also the glossier side. Other than that, every one of these is matte, so this one definitely is on the glossier side. Then we have one from Swiss Beauty, right? Obviously Swiss Beauty is topping the market these days. We have to have one from Swiss Beauty. So this one is from Swiss Beauty, and this is how it looks. It looks very luxurious. It has this pen sort of thingy, right? And this is how it looks like. It is a long tip, and I think this was matte. See, look how jet black it is. I remember it was matte. Yeah, it was matte. Again, glides very well and everything. Like these are all good. Like I had no issues with them gliding or, you know, applying on my eyes. Right, next one is from Wet n Wild. Now I haven't, like, I'm a fan of Wet n Wild, but I haven't tried their eyeliners and all that stuff. So this is this. Again, I think this was also matte. This is a tiny one. Like for the price point, this is the tiniest one, but again, the tip of it is really nice. It applies really well. You can see matte black again. Like none of these is not black for some reason. Like I was lucky in my finding. All of these are matte black and really pretty pigmented. So 3 more to go, and then is this Lakme Iconic liner pen. I don't know why Lakme does not talk about this, but this is a very decent eyeliner. Like just look at this tip. Like this is the thinnest tip out of all of these, and it is pretty awesome. Like just look at this. This is matte black and nice. Like why doesn't Lakme advertise it the way they advertise other stuff? I have no idea. Then I have this blue liner, Line Design Sketch Eyeliner. This is not as jet black. Like it applies very jet black over here, but on the eyes it does not appear this jet black. Or you can definitely see the difference. Like this is not that jet black, right? And the last one that I have, this is from Inside Cosmetics, and this one is the heaviest. Like this, damn baby, this is heavy. This is quite thick, heavy, luxurious looking. Like this looks like a Parker pen in itself. And you know, kudos to this whole packaging. Look at this tip. Like this tip is very similar to that of Lakme, but it is jet black and so much better than that of, not Lakme, sorry, the Blue Heavens. This middle one, Blue Heavens, it is so much better than that though, right? So this is all of them in the application. So let me talk about my favorites. Let me just talk about my favorites. This one from Curves and Lashes, definitely I like the application of this and everything. I think I will count it in my fave category. I do like it a lot, definitely, yes. This Swiss Beauty Wala is also a nice promising product, definitely in a fave category. This Maliao Wala, this is good, pigmentation is good, but it has literally no control over its pigmentation. So sometimes it's like pigmentation overflow. I do like it, but I do think that it is a little out of control, right? Then I have this Maybelline Tattoo Wala. This is not in the favorite category. It's like, it's fine, I can make it work, but definitely a little disappointing. Like I was expecting better from this. Then we have this Lakme Iconic, definitely a fave. I really like it. I think this was good. Okay, this was good. And we have this Wet n Wild one, again fave category. I think this would be on number 2. Number 2 from my end. Okay, so this was good. We have this In Color Wala, again I liked it. See, the wing is very nice and everything. I really like it. This is also good, fave category again. Then we have this Blue Heavens. I think this was the floppest one. Like this is in the Sabse Niche Wala section. I didn't like it. It just doesn't work. Like I wouldn't say you shouldn't buy it, okay? Then we have this L.A.Colors one. Like I did apply it over here, and this wing is really crisp and nice and everything, but I think like this is a very long wand, and you will see it in the video as well. It is a little difficult to apply because of this long wand, but the brush and everything is very nice. The thing is very nice as well. I think I can get way past that, you know, this long tip and everything, make it work, but I think just the long tip is just something that is holding it from being my favorite. Like I do like it, but it's not my favorite. My favorite definitely is this Inside Wala. I really love this. Like this is jet black. This is precise. This is beautiful. It has a lot of pigmentation. It has everything I want. This is my fave. Okay, this is my fave. That is what I would ask you to go for. I think this one was around 200 or even less than that for sure. So I think an Indian brand is winning at this. So I really like that, right? So yeah. So yeah, this was for this video, guys. If you like this whole concept of trying 10 different things from 10 different brands, I think I can do it further. It would be like 10 different liquid eyeshadows from 10 different brands kind of thing, right? We can do it. So hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll meet you in the next video, guys. Bye bye.